In the winter months, homes can get cold quickly, especially when the power fails. Valor gas fireplaces act as fully functional heaters that do not require a power supply to heat your home. With Valor, you can rest assured that your fireplace will provide reliable heat and comfort in times when you need it most. We all crave comfort when the power goes out, and our fireplaces are here to help. Valor gas fireplaces use a blend of radiant heat technology and natural convection to warm the people and objects around them, providing a warm and comforting environment for you and your loved ones. Every Valor fireplace comes fully equipped with a battery-powered remote and receiver, which keeps your fireplace running even during a power outage. Valor fireplaces use zone heating technology to reduce your furnace's output of hot air into empty rooms or unused spaces. Zone heating delivers the perfect blend of radiant and convective warmth while being more economical and efficient. An efficient Valor zone heater puts warmth directly into the spaces you want to heat, with virtually no cycling losses. In the event of a power outage, you can trust that our fireplaces will keep your family comfortable and warm. When the power fails, your fireplace won't. That's the value of Valor.